Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. And today I am back with my Mahalakshmi cards. But before I go to the reading, today I felt when I was pulling the cards that I have a message from you all, to you all from Mahalakshmi ji, that today you should offer her coconut, some yellow flowers, maybe marigold flowers, and also if possible a glass of milk. And one thing which I felt that you should all do, because the month is starting, so maybe it is an indication of abundance to come in your lives. Take a betel leaf, and on top of the betel leaf keep a clay lamp. Put some ghee in that and burn it in the evening between 6:30 to 8:30. Keep the coconut, the flowers, everything at that time only, and chant some Lakshmi mantra for 108 times, or at least 21 times. You can do whichever mantra you love doing. Usually you can chant that mantra, or if you want to specifically just chant, you can even just chant Om Mahalakshmi Namaha or Om Hrim Shrim Lakshmi Bhyo Namaha, whatever mantra you want. But I feel some mantra you should chant today. And that coconut, you can make use of it, and the milk also you can have. So but burn the lamp. I don't know why this intuition came to me. Also today, if possible, wear the color red, because some divine message is being coming, that abundance is on the way. So let's see. Let me pull one card first. If I feel guided, then I'll pull the next card. All right, that's a beautiful card which has come. The goddess Mariamman has come. She is actually the mother of all gods. Technically, if you see, Mariamman comes when there's a lot of blessings coming your way, and there's a lot of abundance also coming your way. Because I still remember when this card had come to me once for a reading for some client. I had told them that you will be successful in all your endeavors, and money will come to you. Business, will grow the way you want it to grow. So this card is actually an overall abundance and overall blessings. Always remember, she is there for you. She is blessing you abundantly, and she is taking care of you in every way. All you need to do is just seek her blessings. Do follow the tip which I had asked you to do. Maybe that will also enhance your money flow and your abundance this month. And if you all like this tip, do let me know. Maybe I will bring in some small puja tips which you can do on every Friday for abundance and prosperity to keep flowing in your life. Have a beautiful and a Mahalakshmi ji blessed day ahead.